let's go. Gonna let them know. You can whisper it or scream it, just make sure you mean it. I'm on that loud, so you gon' hear me before you see me. Tell the world, tell the world, tell the world about me. Tell the world, tell the world, tell the world about me. Rob G stay mackin', big dog I'm trappin', brown paper baggin', I'm all about that action. I know you listening, so pay attention, let me finish. Rob Hill done win it, big money I'm spending, highly motivated, big bankroll visions. I'm all about them digits, your number in that spinach. All I do is get money, can't take that from me. Back when I was broke, sometimes I went to bed hungry, but now I'm doing shows, so gonna hit that pole. Shake it to my beats and let me see you hit that flow. The hottest in the city, ain't nobody messing with it. I'm headed to the top in my city, coming with me. Tell the world, tell the world, tell the world about me. Tell the world, tell the world, tell the world about me. Tell the world about me. Go ahead, don't be scared to shout it. You tell every person that you countin'. Money boy about it, that long money I'm counting. Patience is a virtue, so you know that I was waiting. When you listen to my music, you wonder why I ain't famous. I was born without a dime, my dad was doing one time. Nobody gave me nothing, all my life I had to grind, but I never let it break me. That's probably what made me. I grew up with them games beat, chat time with them swains beat. Getting it in, posted up on the block, I sold illegal drugs. Did stuff I'm not proud of, that's what got me locked up. Don't be like me, be better. Chase success, don't chase chuck. When you locked up or dead, your boys ain't gonna help you. When your money start getting tight, you gotta bite down and fight. When you're going through that struggle, bow your head and talk to Christ. All it takes is patience, and I'ma grind hard even when I make it. Rob G gon' make it, ain't nobody gon' break me. I didn't even make a scene, but I know you notice me. I grind it till my heart stop, but to make sure that don't happen, I keep that Glock. Tell the world, tell the world, tell the world. Snell back, Levi jeans, fresh it up so you notice me. You smell it loud so you know it's me. At Club Envy and the VIP, Money Boys the team to beat. Going hard still in the street. I went so hard this year I changed my name to MVP. I make it rain, you make it roll. I know you wanna see that cash flow. Big money, I'ma blow. Go ahead and let them know. Give your boy a show, touch your toes, hit the flow. Make it jiggle, go on wiggle, move your body like a swivel. Come through so vicious, my money so extensive. I'm all about my business, almost done but I'm never finished. My style so ridiculous, got lady friends, benefits. I can say these women interested, headed to the telly, I'm killing it. Tell the world, tell the world, tell the world about me. Go ahead, tell the world, and tell the world, Money boy about it.